What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Garage Skateboard Factory. I'm Johnny Manic from Manic Skates, and today we are starting a new series called Will It Skate, where me, my dad, my daughter, my son, my wife, we make really dumb things to see if we can skate on it. So the other day, I was going through my stacks of veneers, and I found a stack like this thick of cross grains, and I look at my dad and I'm all, wouldn't it be funny if we tried to press a board out of all cross grains? Now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, that's not going to work. However, if you cut your cross grains and turn them a quarter and then tape them together on the sides and glue them together, it'll kind of work. What do I mean by that? Long grains need to be one consistent long grain, right? That makes them strong. The cross grains give the concave. Now, if we were to stagger all of our different seams, hopefully we'd have a chance for success, right? Our cross grains are 1/24 of an inch thick. Standard long grains are 1/16. I did the math. I need to use 9 1/2 cross grains. That's impossible. So I'm going to use 9, right? So 2 cross grains, actual cross grains, and then 7 additional cross grains cut and taped into long grains, pressed, and then we're going to try to skate it. So I know it's stupid. Parkour! But stay tuned. We're going to have a bunch more videos like this. You're going to want to subscribe. We're going to do this in parts. So this is going to be episode 1. Maybe episode 2 we shape it, maybe episode 3 we skate it. So please like and subscribe if you want to see more ridiculous, stupid ideas like this one. With that, will it skate? Stay tuned to find out. Now, as you can see in this video, these are some floppy, old, crusty, dusty cross grains. They are meant to hold concave. They are not made for strength. We're going to make a board out of these. So this is the part where I am starting to cut them into 9 1/2 inch wide strips so I can turn them a quarter turn and then tape them together. So, and on one of them, for real, dude, I have a cross grain as an actual cross grain taped to all the long grains. So it's super weak. Yeah, I just thought I'd share that. For this section, all I'm using here is just a speed square, a pencil, and a tape measure, and a fresh, sharp razor blade, and just making cuts along it, taping it together, and you get the idea. I'll save you the boredom, but yeah, let's see what this thing does. All right, Dad.
Okay.
What are we doing here?
We're gluing up some boards, Frankenstein boards.
So we're gonna have 3 center core plies, cross grain, then 2 top and 2 bottom long grain. Yeah, I know, this is a really stupid idea.
1,002 stupid things to do.
This is where the strength is, and look at that, that's not good. But I figure if we have enough sheets and enough staggering.
And enough glue.
Glue? I need glue! You're gonna need lots of glue!
We have this plug that we made. It's 6 sheets of masonite, 1/4 inch, so that should fill the void of 3 skateboards. And then this is our press that has a void of 4 decks. So we need to put all that masonite in there and then 1 board. There's gonna be a lot of glue in this. It's gonna squeeze out from every direction. So we have 7 long grain made of cross grains and 2 cross grains.
Yes.
That's good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
All right, we have our glue up, ready to go. This is gonna be interesting seeing if it stays together while we're gluing. Oh my God, dude. You can't even push hard because...
Oh, the table one.
Yeah.
That's working, Johnny. I'm getting nervous, man.
All right, just slide it straight off, yeah. All right, this one should be a little better. This is so fucking stupid.
1,002 stupid things to do.
High-speed camera. All right, I'm sparing you the boredom of watching this glue board. You know what that looks like. We have just enough glue. We are out of glue.
Bottom. There you go.
All right.
There it is.
There she goes. Get some plastic on these so they don't stick to the press. It's like a body bag. 1, 2, 3. All right, Dad, I think I need your help pushing this down.
Pretty good here. How are we doing for end to end?
What is this, the nose?
Yeah.
How you doing on center?
Good. Yeah, good.
All cross grain 9 ply. And it's still going to be thinner than a traditional 7 ply board.
I was going to say, it's kind of like you, not much to look at.
Not much to look at.
This video is so funny.
Let's squeeze them. We put enough glue in there, huh? You think that's enough? We're probably just bending the press at this point.
Oh, it is, yeah.
Yeah, we're just bending it. And we're bending it down here. Right here. Alright, that's not doing anything to the board. It's just messing up the press. So leave it in the comments. You think it's gonna work?
I think so. It'll be something.
It's definitely gonna be something. Why don't you guys leave in the comments what you think is gonna happen? Is it gonna break? Is it gonna work? We just thought it'd be fun and stupid and see if we can make it work. There's a lot of glue. And it's dime plies. So we got everything going for us. Check back next time. We'll show you the shaping of this.